Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question. Which states that evaluate the following integrals. This one, and this one. So solution. So first, let's analyze these integrals. These functions is like x. It is the product of x and sine x. This one also is the product of exponential 2x and sine x. This one also is the product of x and ln x. So these are like product functions. And the only technique of integration we can use to integrate this is integration by part, which is also known as integration of products. It's like the product rule in differentiation, but it's like the product rule in differentiation that is used for differentiating functions that are multiplying each other. This one also, integration by part, is used for finding the integral of functions that are multiplying each other. So these two functions of x are multiplying each other. This one and this one also, and this one and this one. So we are going to use integration by part. And now, for you to use integration by part, you need to consider the LIATE rule. The LIATE rule, which is this one, LIATE rule. This L stands for logarithmic functions. This one stands for inverse trigonometric functions. This A stands for algebraic functions. This T stands for trigonometric functions. And this E stands for exponential functions. This is a rule that is used for indicating the order of precedence for picking U. You know, the formula for integration by part has a substitution, U. It has U, it has V. So we need to pick U between these two functions. We need to know the one that is U. So the order of priority states that if we see a logarithmic function in this integral, we are going to pick it as U, regardless of any other one. If there is no logarithmic function, if we see an inverse trigonometric function, that is the one we are going to pick as our U. If we do not see these two and we see an algebraic function, that one we are going to take as our U. If we do not see any of these three and we see a trigonometric function, we're going to pick a trigonometric function as our U. Then if we do not see any of these four, we see an exponential function, that's the one we're going to take as our U. So the order of priority, this is the highest, from the highest to the lowest order of precedence for picking U. So if you see a logarithmic function, example in x, we are going to take that one as our U. It has the highest precedence and is decreasing down to exponential functions. This one, an example of inverse trigonometric function is sine inverse x. Algebraic function is maybe x squared. Trigonometric function is maybe sine x. Exponential function is exponential, maybe x or 2x or 3x. So that's all about this rule. We are going to use it in integration by part. So now we'll start with the first one. Integral of x sine x dx. Now the formula for integration by part is given by integral of uv, integral of u dv, not v, u dv, integral of u dv is equals to uv minus integral of v du. This is the formula for integration by part. So now, in this one now, we are going to select our u and our dv to represent this. So, looking at this LIATE rule, this x is an algebraic function. So, algebraic function, that means it comes before, is here, is the third one. Then this sine x is a trigonometric function. That means this algebraic function comes before trigonometric function. So our u now will be taken as x, according to this rule. So our u will be x, and the v now will be what? Sine x dx, the other one, which is a trigonometric function. Sine x dx. So we are going to find the derivative of u with respect to x. So the u over the x is what? Is 1. So the u is equals to dx. Now we're going to integrate this both side to get our v. So v integral of sine x is what? Is negative cos x. So this, we can now substitute this in this equation. So the integral of x sine x dx will be equal to uv. This is u and this is v. So it will be negative x cos x minus integral of v du. What's v? This, and the u is the x. So it will be v, then minus cos x. That's the v. Then the u is what? Is the x. Then we'll simplify this. It becomes negative x cos x. Then we'll bring out the minus. It will become plus. Because minus times minus is plus. Then now we'll get integral of cos x dx. Now, what is the integral of cos x? The integral of cos x is what? Is sine x. So it will be plus sine x. Then since it's an indefinite integral, we'll add c. So this is the integral of this. Then let's move to the second one. So this one, the second one, according to the LIATE rule, which one comes first? There's an exponential and trigonometric function here. So the exponential function will come last and trigonometric will come before exponential. So we'll take u as sine x. So our u will be sine x, and the v will be exponential 2x dx. So now we'll differentiate the u with respect to x. So this becomes derivative of sine x is cos x. So the u is equals to cos x dx. Then we integrate both sides here. V becomes what? This is an exponential function. To integrate this, we'll differentiate 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2. Then to be exponential 2x divided by 2. So now we'll substitute this in the formula. So now the integral of exponential 2x sine x dx is equal to uv, which is this times this. It becomes exponential 2x sine x over 2 minus the integral of v du, which is this times this. So it will be e2x cos x over 2 dx. So this becomes exponential 2x sine x over 2. Then we'll bring out negative 1 over 2 integral of integral of exponential 2x cos x dx. Now this one also has now become another integral of product e2x exponential 2x times cos x. So we have to also use integration by part to solve this one before we come and we substitute it here. So let's do that one. So this one, in the same way, our u will be cos x and our dv will be exponential 2x dx. So now we'll find the derivative of this. Du over dx is equals to negative sine x. So du is equals to negative sine x dx. Then we'll find the integral of this. V is equals to exponential 2x over 2. So the integral of this, let me just call this the integral of I. The integral of this now will become uv, that's exponential 2x cos x, that is this one times this one, uv over 2 minus the integral of v du. So this is v, then du. So it will be negative exponential 2x sine x over 2 dx. So now this is equal to exponential 2x cos x over 2. This minus and minus is plus. We'll bring out half, it will become plus 1 over 2 integral of exponential 2x sine x dx. So now we can substitute this back here for integral of exponential 2x cos x. Since the integral of exponential 2x sine x dx is since the integral is common here, so we can substitute it and make it the subject of the formula. So we'll put the value we got for this integral here. So now I've put the integral of exponential 2x, the integral of exponential 2x cos x back. I've substituted back into the original equation. So this is the value we got for the integral of exponential 2x cos x dx here. Then now I've substituted it back. So this becomes integral of exponential 2x sine x dx is equals to half exponential 2x sine x minus half. Then this is the value for the integral. So I've substituted it back in the equation. Now we can simplify it. But since this one and this one are the same and we're making the subject of the formula, we can call it I. We can call it the I. We can just substitute it for the letter I. So I will make I the subject of the formula and we'll find the integral. So now we'll solve this equation and make this one the subject of the formula. Here is the equation. We'll say let I equals to the integral of exponential 2x sine x dx. So now we're just going to substitute I here. We're just going to substitute I here. So it will be I is equal to half exponential 2x sine x minus half exponential 2x cos x plus half I. So now we can simplify this. This becomes I is equals to half exponential 2x sine x minus half times half is 1 over 4 exponential 2x cos x. Then this times this is also negative 1 over 4I. So now we can take this to this side. So it becomes 1 over 4I. 1 over 4I plus I is equals to half exponential 2x sine x minus 1 over 4 exponential 2x cos x. So this becomes 1 over 4 plus 1. So it will be 1 over 4 plus 1 is 5 over 4. So this becomes 5 over 4 I is equals to 1 over 2 exponential 2x sine x minus 1 over 4 exponential 2x cos x. So now we can multiply this whole equation by 4 over 5. So I will cancel this 5 over 4 here. So 4 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 4 is 1. So it will be 1I. Then 4 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 2 is 2 over 5. So here will be 2 over 5 exponential 2x sine x. Then multiplied by 1 over 4 is 1 over 5. So here will be minus 1 over 5 exponential 2x cos x. So now we can factorize 1 over 5 exponential x from this expression. So I will be 1 over 5 exponential. So now we can factorize 1 over 5 exponential 2x from these two expressions. So it becomes 1 over 5 exponential 2x. Then this becomes 2 sine x minus cos x. So this is the integral that is given. So we can say that the integral of exponential 2x sine x dx is equal to this I, which is equals to this. And then we'll add the constant plus c. So this is the integral of this. So this is the integral of exponential 2x sine x dx. Now we can move to the third question. So here's the third one. According to the LIATE rule, the first one we are going to take, the one we are going to take as our u, is the logarithmic function, which is ln x. So u is equals to ln x, and the v is equals to x dx. So now we will differentiate this. So the u over the x will be equals to what? 1 over x. So the u will be equals to 1 over x dx. Then we'll find the integral of both sides here. V now, the integral of x is x squared over 2. X squared over 2. So now we will apply the integration by parts. So x ln x dx will be equals to uv, which is x squared ln x over 2 minus integral of v du. So it will be x squared over 2 multiplied by 1 over x dx. So this becomes x squared ln x over 2 minus, we'll bring out 1 over 2. Then x squared over x is what is x? So integral of x dx. X squared ln x over 2. The integral of x is what? X squared over 2. Then the plus c. So it becomes x squared ln x over 2 minus what? X squared over 4 plus c. So we can decide to leave it like this, or we can factorize x squared over 4. So x squared over 4, if we factorize this, from here, x squared will go. So now, here is 1 over 2. So we have to find something that if we multiply this 1 over 2 by 1 over, this 1 over 4 by 1 over 2, we will get 1 over 2. So we have to put, it will be 2. So it will be 2 ln x. Because if you say 2 times 1 over 4 is what? Is 1 over 2. So minus 1 plus c. So the integral of x ln x dx is this. So we have successfully evaluated all the 3 integrals given in the question. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.